Alright, let's look at the homework 2.8, problem number 6. Alright, so let's find the derivative of capital G of t. Alright, so G prime of t is equal to, alright, limit as h approaches 0. Right, then so every time we see t, we're gonna put t plus h in it. So we have a 1 minus 6 times t plus h over 5 plus t plus h, right? Minus g of t would be just the function, the formula of the function. Right, so it's a 5 plus t, right, and all over h. Right, then we take the common denominator. So this is going to be limit as h approaches 0. Alright, so common denominator is going to be just the product of the denominator. So we're going to put the 5 plus t plus h times 5 plus t. Alright, the numerator is going to be, alright, I'm going to just multiply by 5, so it's going to be 5. And minus, let's see, 5 times 6 is 30 t minus 30 h, and plus t minus 6t squared minus 6ht. Alright, so that was this. Now we multiply this guy by that, so we have let's see, 1 times 5 plus, actually I have to be a little bit careful, so it's actually a subtraction, right? So let's see, right, minus, right, so because of the negative sign, right, then alright, so 1 times 5, so it's going to be 5 plus t plus h, right? Negative 6 times 5 is negative 30t, and you have let's see, I'm going to go here, negative 6t squared minus 6ht, right? Then all over h. Alright, so let's clean up. Alright, so we have a 5 minus 5, right? So we have a t minus t. Right, so they should be, let's see, there should be more, right? So this, is there h somewhere? Actually, we have 30t, a negative 30t minus negative 30t, right? And what else? And here's a negative 6t squared and negative 6t squared, and then you have negative 6ht minus negative 6ht, right? So you can cancel those, and what's left is really, right, so we have, there's a negative 30h here minus h, right? So it's going to be negative 30, whoa. Right, so negative 31h, right? So we can cancel h here and h here, so you're left with negative 31. So this is going to be equal to, I'm gonna probably go, let's see, yeah, go here. Alright, so you have a negative 31 over, right? So this guy goes to 0. So you have 5 plus t times 5 plus t. So quantity 5 plus t squared. Alright, so let's type it in. So this was negative 31 divided by quantity 5 plus t squared. Alright, and the domain of a function is easy, interval notation. So it's the bad number would be negative 5, so it's going to be negative infinity to negative 5, and skip that, and 5 to positive infinity. Alright, so we have that. And the derivative of, the domain of the derivative is actually exactly the same. Negative 5 would be a bad number. So I will just put exactly the same thing, symbol to negative 5, parenthesis, and the set and the union. Well, let's see, oops. Where did it go? Oh, right here. Alright. So, let's see, I'm gonna have to go down a bit, right? Alright, set union, alright, negative 5. Oh, actually, this is negative 5 right here. Alright, negative 5 to positive infinity. Oops, not there. Alright, so we have that. Oops. Alright, so let's double check. Submit for testing. Alright, I came back and it looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.